So it seems like LinkedIn are working on a way for you to be able to get leads directly from people that are looking for your services. And this new LinkedIn feature is called the LinkedIn Services feature. And it's something that will be replacing LinkedIn Pro Finder, which is what LinkedIn used a few years ago if you wanted to get leads from people that are looking for your services. But it seems like they're integrating LinkedIn Pro Finder with the LinkedIn Services feature. And it also looks like that they're sort of competing against Upwork with what Upwork are doing to try and pair freelancers, consultants, and agencies or businesses with people that are looking for those kinds of services. So obviously they're still not at the level of Upwork right now, but it does look like they are moving in that direction. So what does this basically mean? Well, it means if people are looking for your services, they can go to LinkedIn and they can get proposals from trusted providers. So let's just say someone clicks on Get Proposals and they can choose what it is that they're looking for. So let's say they're looking for an accountant. They select what service they're looking for. Let's say they're looking for tax preparation. They click on Continue and they go through and answer a bunch of different questions. And then what LinkedIn does is it will send this lead with someone that's actually looking for these types of services to people that already have a LinkedIn services page so that they can send them proposals. And then the person that's requesting that service can decide which business or person that they want to work with. Again, this is very similar to what Upwork are already doing, but it looks like LinkedIn are also moving more into this space. Now, they have been doing this before on ProFinder for quite a while now, but I think they're going to be pushing this feature a lot more in the near future now that they are integrating ProFinder with LinkedIn. So it's not really like a separate service, it's just part of using LinkedIn. So in the future, people could just go to LinkedIn because they're looking for different services, just like LinkedIn is used right now when people are looking for jobs or they're looking to hire people. This same kind of thing could also be used for business owners. Now, as of right now, it's still very new and LinkedIn haven't been pushing this a lot right now to its users, but it looks like they're getting things ready behind the scenes because they just sent an email not so long ago saying that if you used to use LinkedIn Pro Finder, those features will now be integrated into linkedin.com. And you need to now sign up for a LinkedIn services page if you still want to get leads or if you still want to get connected to people that are looking for your services. Now, if we scroll down, unfortunately, it does look like that this feature where they match you to people looking for your services is only available to people that are already using ProFinder. So if you haven't already got a ProFinder account, then as of right now, LinkedIn are not allowing new people to start using this feature. But I still recommend having a services page on your LinkedIn profile anyway, because once they open this up to the public and everyone else can join, then at least you'll be ready for this new feature. And the reason I think they're not releasing it to everyone as of right now is simply because they're probably testing this behind the scenes to see how well everything works. And this is new territory that LinkedIn are going into. So time will tell and we'll have to wait and see how well this works. But I do think it has quite a lot of potential if LinkedIn can pull it off correctly. Now, they've put a deadline that you must do this, which is by June the 8th, but it doesn't really matter if you are watching this video before that date or after that date. If you want to create a services page, you can do that at any time. All you need to do is go to your LinkedIn profile and then go to where it says open to, and there should be an option that allows you to select services. Now, if you currently don't see this option to select services, then you need to go to this LinkedIn service provider group and you need to request to join. And then by requesting to join, once LinkedIn have accepted you in this group, as it says here, by joining this group, we will grant you access to the services page feature within 24 hours. So then once you're a member of this group, you should be able to go back to your profile in 24 hours, click on open to, and then you can select the services that you provide. So once you do this, you just select what services that you provide. You can see what it looks like on mine. Just very basic. You just give a little bit of information about what it is that you do, what services you provide. And then when people are looking for those services, LinkedIn can connect you with those people. And then you have the option if you want to get in touch with them and reach out to them and see if you would be a good fit to work together. And there's a bunch of different services that they are catering to. If we go to click on see all services, you can see that there's all kinds of different industries and categories that if you fit into any of these categories, you could potentially start getting some leads with people looking for your services. And what's cool about this new feature is that in the past with LinkedIn Profiler, you could only get leads locally, but it seems now they're giving you an option to also get leads by working with people remotely. So that could obviously increase the amount of potential clients that you could get from this service. So at this point, if you want to learn more about how to generate leads and predictable appointments every single month without cold calling, networking, relying on referrals, or doing any of that stuff, you can go to salesappointmentsmasterclass.com. You'll see a page that looks like this. Just enter your name and email, and then I'll send you over a link to a video that I've recorded that goes through exactly how you can do this. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.